Welcome back to the another guys. In this video I will show you how you can download Ubuntu 20.04. So first go to the google.com and type it here Ubuntu daily build and go to this first URL. I will give this link in the description box and click on focal desktop amd64.iso to download that. And after that we need a program so we can create our pen drive bootable. So the program that I am going to use, which is Rufus, and you can get that, go to the rufus.ie and scroll it down and click on the Rufus 3.9 to download that, and the our Ubuntu ISO file and the Rufus 3.9 is downloaded successfully. And now connect to your USB drive into your system and double click Rufus 3.9, and in the boot selection menu choose disk or ISO image. After that click on select and select your Ubuntu ISO image file and click start and click yes and choose write in ISO image mode. Click on OK and now again click on OK. It will take some time. And now our pen drive is ready to use. And now restart our system and hit the delete button to open the BIOS menu. In the BIOS menu go to the boot option and select your pen drive as a first bootable drive and save all the changes and restart your PC. And the our Ubuntu installation process is started. And choose your default language and click on the install Ubuntu and choose your default keyboard layout option, and the default is OK for me, and click on continue. In the next dialog box the normal installation choose by default which is OK, and in the other option the download while installing update and install third-party software for graphics. I will recommend you choose both of these and click on continue. And in the next dialog box I am going to choose erase disk and install Ubuntu, which is fine for me, and click install now and choose your country and click on continue and fill up your name, pick a username and your password and click on continue. And it will take some time, and after speeding up the process the final dialog box will appear and click on restart now. And this is the screen how our Ubuntu look like.
And you can see this the new login screen, which is the here it shows my name, and when I click this you can see the nice animation, and I put my password and hit enter. The name of this version, which is Focal Forza, and you can see this is the Forza, and you can check this using the terminal. And I am going to open my terminal and type neo fetch, and you can see this the version name is actually Ubuntu Focal Forza.